In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a thank you page with a redirect to an external link all within your form settings. This process is easy to follow, and by the end of the video, you'll have a seamless transition for your form users, directing them to a specific web page upon form submission. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate over to your form settings. This is typically accessible from your form builder dashboard. Once you're there, you'll find a few menu options that allow you to customize different aspects of your form, but our focus today will be on the thank you page. Next, go ahead and select the thank you page option. The thank you page is essentially the page that your users will see immediately after submitting their responses on your form. By default, it usually contains a simple thank you message, but we're going to customize this to enhance user experience by redirecting them. Once you've selected the thank you page, you should see a few configuration options. Look for an option labeled Redirect to External Link. This option allows you to specify a different destination for form users, directing them to a web page of your choice. Selecting this will open up a field for you to input your desired URL. In the field provided, carefully enter the URL you want form respondents to be directed to after they complete their submission. Here's a quick tip: make sure to double check your URL for accuracy. A small typo could lead users to an unintended destination, which can lead to confusion or dissatisfaction. After entering the correct URL, ensure that it begins with HTTP// or HTTPS. This prefix is crucial for the proper functioning of the redirect. HTTPS is generally preferred as it offers a secure connection, enhancing the overall trustworthiness of your redirection page. With your URL safely in place, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom or top right area of your form settings interface. Clicking Save ensures that all your settings are preserved and the redirection will work seamlessly for all future users of your form. And that's it. You've successfully set up your form to redirect to an external link upon submission. This method is a fantastic way to guide your users to additional resources, thank them with a special message, or even offer a special deal as a follow-up to their form submission. If you're looking to customize further, some platforms may offer advanced options like dynamic redirect URLs based on user input or